is up?
We are excited to be on the road again after doing some more work on our van recently. Today, we are heading to Miami. It's a very vibrant and multicultural city, and we're looking forward to taking you with us.
Before getting on the road, we packed up our Ford Transit high-roof cargo van that we've been converting into a tiny home on wheels over the last couple of years. The van provides a convenient, affordable way for us to travel and explore. That's it.
We arrived to the design district, which looks pretty cool. Now we're trying to find some parking. We would like to try to find free parking if that's possible. We'll see. We might have to do the paid route. See that fun stuff down there to your left?
Fun.
All right, we found a parking spot. We're gonna walk around and explore a little bit. And we're going to use this new little toy that we got recently from our friends Meg and Darren. Check it out, guys. This hopefully will make our videos a little better when we're walking around. Here we are in the design district of Miami. We parked right next to the museum garage. Found a nice parking spot with the pay by phone app. We had to pay $3.25 an hour. Now we're going to walk around. This area is known for its upscale shopping, art museums, and lots of public art displays. So we're going to walk around and we're going to see if we can find some cool art displays.
The design district was once a pineapple farm in a neighborhood referred to as Buena Vista. Today, it's a destination for arts, design, and fashion. The district is home to many luxury stores, restaurants owned by award-winning chefs and celebrities, and art museums, galleries, and public art installations.
So this is the Fly's Eye Dome. There's an artist who, I guess this was their idea of a self-sufficient home. I think it's from 1965 or something. You can tell it's a little older. Let's see what's up here. We just finished our time at the Design District, which was pretty cool. It was neat going there, even though we didn't really know what we were doing to start. So it was just kind of a small area that we could walk around in. And now we're in Wynwood, where all the art murals are. And we're gonna have some lunch. We are having some chicken curry wraps, a recipe I discovered lately, and we love it. Mmm.
Very good.
Look, we found some pretty neat murals.
The Wynwood neighborhood was formerly an industrial district. Today, the area is divided into an art district on the north side and fashion district on the south. The art district is known for the murals that cover the walls of many of the buildings. Wynwood Walls is a popular destination in the area. It used to be free admission, but it is now $12 a person. There was so much other free public art we didn't find it necessary to pay to go into that area. We opted to take a self-guided tour around the neighborhood instead.
So we thought it made sense to not actually park and walk around too much here in Wynwood. We've been driving around, we thought we could see the artwork better that way. Steve just parked around the corner and just gonna wait for me real quick so I can jump out and get some pictures of some of the art here. But check it out, there's a lot of fun stuff here. Right now we're doing a little bit of detective work. We are
I think
scoping.
they call it recon.
Recon. We're doing some recon. We are driving around an area near Wynwood. We were told there's some other van lifers that have parked in this area, so we're just kind of scoping it out to see if it's got any potential for parking later tonight. We'll see. What do you think so far?
It's a little sketchy. I don't like when you see bars on the windows. It's usually not a good sign.
We arrived in Little Havana to explore Southwest 8th Street, better known as Calle Ocho. The Cuban Quarter, between 13th and 17th Avenues, is where all the action can be found. Roosters began popping up in 2002 to celebrate Little Havana's culture. They have become popular photo ops for visitors to the neighborhood. The area also has some nice public art. This area features the Calle Ocho Walk of Fame, where more than 20 pink marble sidewalk stars recognize famous Latin figures with ties to South Florida. Calle Ocho is home to an array of family-owned cigar shops specializing in small batch, hand-rolled cigars. You can see them being made as you stroll past the shops. Steve's favorite spot was Maximo Gomez Park, better known as Domino Park, where we spent time watching the locals playing dominoes and even a game of chess. Games are typically for members only. You have to be over 50 and have a Domino Club card. Little Havana is known for its mojitos, cigars, Cuban coffee, croquetas, and guava pastelitos. Before leaving, I decided to try a pastry.
So we finished our walk around Little Havana. I'm finishing it with a little birthday treat, a guava pastry. We'll see how it is. All right, we found this really pretty park. I'm gonna enjoy the pastry now. We're gonna figure out what's next.
How is it?
It's pretty good. It's not amazing, but I like flaky pastries and I like the guava taste, so give it a thumbs up.
A nice thing about how we travel is that our plans can remain fluid. We originally thought we'd try to find street parking overnight in one of the neighborhoods we'd been exploring. But on a whim, we decided to try to catch the sunset from the Rickenbacker Causeway and to explore Key Biscayne. Unfortunately, the lots along the parkway were already closed.
It's all closed. Dang it. So that's too bad. We were hoping to park here and make dinner, but it's all closed.
We found an on-ramp where others were already parking. It had no parking signs, but we decided we'd take our chances.
So here's the crazy thing. We were just pulling up here trying to find a spot to park to make dinner, and we ran into some Instagram friends, Guagua y Flacos. It's David and Lulu. We'd actually chatted with them. They're the ones we mentioned earlier that said they park in downtown Miami. We had checked out the spot they had recommended. So it's so crazy that we just passed them and found them here. They're gonna go for a walk and we're gonna meet up in a little bit. So that is crazy. Steve's making us some dinner. Any guesses as to where our little lady Gray Gray is? Oh, there's a foot. There she is. Hi, baby girl. Oh, look at her little paw going. Hi, baby.
Alright, ready?
Yep. You ready to go, baby girl, huh? You ready to go? You good girl. Alright, so Steve just cleaned up after dinner. We just had a great time catching up with David and Lulu. And now it's time to get back on the road. Trying to find a place to park for the night. So our current state of affairs is that we had gone under the bridge and we were on the return side for the causeway. So we backed all the way around from over on that side, under the bridge and back, so we can get back in the traffic going the correct direction over the bridge. And so far it's working. We have another car also backing up, trying to get out of this area. So we're not alone.
Might be unconventional, but I think we did it.
So here we go.
Oh, alright.
We're gonna try to go over the bridge and find a place to park over on Key Biscayne.
The causeway has a $3 toll by plate fee. If we hadn't backtracked, we would have had to exit, get back on, and pay the toll again.
So here we go.
Steve says anyone who knows us knows we ain't doing that.
So we found a park here on Key Biscayne, and it looks like it should be okay for us to park overnight. So we're gonna try it out.
Someone's greeting you.
Oh, there's a little girl. Whoa, as I fall out of the van. Hi, baby. What you doing, huh? What you doing, baby, huh? Alright, guys, we're getting ready for bed. We have had a fun day exploring Miami, those different neighborhoods. It's a neat area, and it was a special treat to get to meet other van life friends, David and Lulu. We've had a fun day, and we hope you enjoyed coming along with us.
We're going to leave you off here for this video. We'll catch you on the next one.
We'll see you later.
As always, thanks for joining us for our travel adventures. If you haven't already, please hit those like and subscribe buttons. And if you're new here, check out some of our past videos. We hope to see you for the next leg of the adventure, exploring Miami's Key Biscayne and Bill Beggs Cape State Park. See you then.